So hello students, today we are going to learn chapter number 4 of class 8, that is quadrilaterals. So in the previous period we have learned about some basic concept related with quadrilaterals. Now today we are going to solve some more examples based on quadrilaterals. Okay, we have learned a formula that, or a property we can say, that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is always equals to 360 degree. Okay, so let us solve some more example based on the same concept. Okay, so now here we have one example that the angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5 is to 6. We have to find the measure of all the angles. Okay, for that let us make a rough figure. Okay, let us consider that this is a quadrilateral A, B, C and D. Okay, now we have learned that whenever an example is given in terms of a ratio, we consider a common thing or a common term in all these ratios. Okay, so let the angles be 3x, 4x, 5x and 6x. Okay, so now if you write it here, our first angle will be 3x, then 4x, then 5x, and the last one is 6x. Okay, now we have learned that sum of this all angles is equal to how much? 360 degree. Okay, so now, or we can write here, we know sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to how much? So it is 360 degree. Okay, so now what are our angles? 3x, 4x, 5x and 6x. So therefore you will get 3x, 4x plus 5x plus 6x equals to 360 degree. Okay, now it can be seen that these all terms are like terms, so we can add them. So you will get 3x plus 4x, 7x plus 5, 12 plus 6, 18x. Okay, so you will get 18x equals to 360. Therefore now we'll keep this x here and 18 on the other side, so 18 is multiplying here. If it goes on the other side, it will divide. So on the next step you will get x equals to 360 upon 18. Therefore x equals to, now 18 ones are 18 20s are. Okay, so let us write it with a different color. 18 ones are 18 20s are. So finally you are getting that x equals to 20. Okay, now this is value of x. We have to find the value of each of the angles. Okay, so our first angle is 3x, second 4x, 5x and 6x. So here we will write, therefore first angle equals to 3x equals to 3 into 20 equals to 60 degree. Second angle equals to 4x, that equals to 4 into value of x is 20, so you will get it as 80 degree. Then our third angle equals to 5x, so that equals to 5 into 20 equals to 100 degree. And our fourth angle is equal to 6x, so that equals to 6 into 20 equals to 120 degree. Okay, so if you add these all angles, its total will be how much? It will be equals to 360 degree. Okay, so in this way we can find the value of each of the angle okay, by using which property? Angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Okay, now let us consider next example. Now here in this example it is given that the measure of two angles of a quadrilateral are 135 degree and 45 degree. The remaining two angles are equal. We have to find the measure of each of the angles. So for this one also let us make one rough figure. Okay, so let us consider that this one is our required quadrilateral. Okay, the name of the quadrilateral is PQRS. Okay, now it is given that two angles of the quadrilateral are 135 degree and 45 degree. So let us consider that this angle is 135 degree and this angle is 45 degree. Now it is given that the remaining two angles are equal. Okay, so now if these two angles are equal, so if we consider that if one of the angle is x, the next angle will also be xy, because these both angles are equal. Okay, so now let us write the solution. Now solution, first we have to write what we have considered as our equal angles. Okay, so solution, let the equal angles be x. Okay, so now we know that sum of all these angles will be equals to how much? 360 degrees. So same concept we'll use here. Now sum of all angles of a quadrilateral equals to 360 degree. Okay, so now what is our first angle? 135 degree, second angle 45, third angle x, and fourth angle also x. So that we are going to write it here. Therefore 135 plus 45 plus x equals to 360 degree. Okay, so now therefore now we can add these two numbers. So 135 plus 45 will be 180 and x plus x will be 2x. Okay, so you will get 180 plus 2x equals to 360. Therefore now we'll change the side of this 180 first. So you will get 2x equals to 360 minus 180. Therefore 2x equals to 180. Now we have to find the value of this x. So 2 is multiplying x. If we change its side, it will divide. So you will get therefore x equals to 180 upon 2. Therefore x equals to, yes, how much? That will be 90 degree. Okay, so now we are having value of x over here. So what is x? X is nothing but each equal angle. Okay, so we can write the final answer that therefore measure of each equal angle is 90 degree. Okay, so in this way you can solve examples based on angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Okay, so this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.